Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Hey, thank you so much for joining me. Get comfortable and watch as I show you how to make black beans in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I already have my Instant Pot on saute and it's reached hot with about a tablespoon of grapeseed oil down inside. So now I'm going to add 1 diced onion. Stir those around and let them cook. Now I'm going to add in some cumin, Italian seasoning. I'll let this cook just a little bit with those onions. Add in about a tablespoon of crushed garlic. I'm going to add about a cup of low sodium chicken broth. So that we can deglaze this pan. Now I'm going to add in my freshly rinsed black beans. Going to add about a half a teaspoon of coarse salt. Now I'm going to put in 2 cups of cold water. Now I'm going to add 3½ cups of low sodium chicken broth. I've put my pressure cook on pressure cook high for 50 minutes. So let's put this lid on. Make sure the sealing valve is set to seal. And we're going to let this cook for 50 minutes and do a 20-minute self-release. Then we'll come back, and if there's still more pressure, we'll do a quick release. Our beans have cooked for 50 minutes. They've done a 20-minute, actually 21 or 22-minute self-release. So now we're gonna do a quick release. After tasting these beans, they're not as soft as I'd like them to be, so I'm gonna put them on for another 15 minutes, then do a quick release. And I'm gonna add a little nutritional yeast flakes to it to season it up a little more. So we're gonna let these beans cook for 15 minutes, do a quick release, and retaste the beans. I allowed my beans to cook for an extra 15 minutes, did a quick release, and I tasted them. They're just right, but I'm gonna add a little light sprinkle of pink Himalayan salt. Mix them up. Ah, they smell so good. The reason the beans took longer to cook is I have had them sitting up in my cabinet for a while. The fresher the beans, the less time it takes to cook. So if you've got a bag of beans that's been in your pantry for a while, it's probably gonna take that extra 15 minutes. But if they're pretty fresh, then no, it's not. All right, let's do a taste test. Yum. Now I can use these as a side dish. I can use them in other recipes, and it's so easy. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.